we did not have any control power. After I traced everything, you can see down here we have this thermostat interface, which goes over there and goes down to the thermostat. There was no power here. There was no power here. There was no power on any of the boards. What I traced is because this is our line voltage coming in. So this powers our transformer down here, which powers our low voltage down here. But we had power on our thermostat. So we had 24 volts on our thermostat, but we didn't have power on the unit. That made me obviously think, okay, what is preventing line voltage from coming here? And we have this little relay down here. If you can see, you have a coil input. Common is white yellow and white black, so it was a 24 volt input. And then we have our output, which is pole 1 and pole 2. So you have the power coming in on the orange and the brown and going out on our yellow and our purple. But there was no power here, which was connected to this wire. So this was connected here. That was our coil voltage, supposed to be. I traced this wire. It's going over here. I assumed that was a smoke detector, which was correct. And they had a power surge 2 days ago. The fire alarm panel actually got damaged, and one of the smoke detectors didn't get power, which that was our smoke detector that didn't have power. To confirm my theory, I temporarily bypassed the smoke detector. I took it off. I stole the 24 volt power from our thermostat with a little popper here to make sure that we're not blowing anything. And I connected 24 volts directly here. So this is my 24 volts in, this is my common to power this coil, which then turned on the power on the unit. And now we're running, we're cooling. I checked the supplier temperature over here, that was 55 degrees. Also down there you have a little thermostat where you can read out stuff. So this is a little bit more intricate than your just, normal stuff, because they're controlling everything with this. But I wanted to share this. It's a little bit of a longer video. I hope you like this. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, comment your questions below. And as always, happy HVACing.